Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home. Today we're going to check out the KingSmith C2 Walking Pad Treadmill, and KingSmith sent us this for the review. So here it is. It is the walking pad, and as you can see, I have it set up here in my office under my desk so I can use it as a walking desk, which is pretty cool. So it's called the walking pad, which means it's set for walking. It's not set for running. The fastest this thing will go is about 3.7 miles per hour. That's 6 kilometers. So it's not for running or doing big hard workouts. It's for walking. So that's why I have it set up here in my office. So it does fold to put away so you can store it, which is really great. I'll show you that later. But when you have it set up, it's important that it needs to be on a hard surface. You really shouldn't have it on carpet. So since my office is carpeted, I have it on one of those desk mats. So it's got a nice hard surface to sit on. It's got a display up in the front with an M and an A that's got 2 modes, manual and automatic. The plug is in the back. And I've got it all set up here. Another thing to keep in mind before we get started is that this is also not for everybody. KingSmith recommends this for people between 14 and 60 years old, and the maximum capacity on the treadmill is 220 pounds. So it's not for everybody, but it will work for me, which is great. So let me get on it and show you how it works. So here I am. So I have it set up a little bit offset under my desk so that I can get right up to my desk here. And you can see it's pretty easy. I can be clicking away here, looking at the web, doing my email while I'm walking. So it's got a couple of different modes. When you set it up, you need to use the KSFit app. So that gets you set up, and it also asks you for your information, and you can sync it with Apple Health, which is really great. And it has some workouts and stuff there. But for me, I'm going to use pretty much just with this remote because I'm going to be using it here at my desk. So this is a nice remote. It's got like a little lanyard that's kind of rubbery, and you can wear it like this if you want. Okay, so this got this button here, turns it on. And you can see right now it's in manual mode. You can go between manual and automatic. I'm going to stick with manual because the way automatic works is you just walk on it and it kind of adjusts to your speed. Since I'm using it here with my desk, I'm going to stick to the manual mode. So once you turn it on, you just push this middle button and it gets going. It gives you a little countdown, 3, 2, 1, and then it starts going. And it starts off at 1 mile an hour here. Which is actually for working, it's not that bad. And I can turn it up, get it going a little faster. And I think for me, probably if I'm trying to do anything, this might be the fastest I'm going to go. This is 2 miles an hour. But it's a pretty nice speed. And even at this 2 miles an hour speed, I can click around, I can look at things, I could probably watch videos, I could certainly be on a conference call. If I'm trying to actually type anything, I'm probably going to have to slow it down a little bit. So it goes down to 1. I can stop it with this button, or the other really neat thing is I can just step off of it and it will stop on its own. There you go. Okay, so they do give you an Allen wrench so that you can adjust the calibration on the treadmill, because sometimes it may kind of move, the belt might move to the right or to the left a little bit. So there's a adjustment, a little screw right here in the back that you can use on both sides, and use the calibration mode with the device, and you can set that up till you get it right. And that keeps it right in the middle. Okay, so the really great thing about the walking pad is that it's portable and it's foldable. So it's really easy to fold up here. Just do that. And then it's got wheels on the front that make it easy to roll. So you can store it somewhere. You could put it under your bed, under your couch. You can put it over on the side. And then once you want to use it again, it's really easy to unfold. Ready to go. Okay, that's the KingSmith C2 Walking Pad Treadmill. It comes in 6 different colors. We went with the blue, and it's a great walking pad for your office or anywhere else you want to walk. Thank you.